We're unpackaging today and I'm doing a review on Revlon Pro Collection Salon one step hair dryer and volumizer. I just washed my hair. I put some Fructis Garnier Nourishing Treatment 1 minute hair mask, and I also put fat iron heat protection. I also have this Revlon Tourmaline ceramic coating. I heard this is so good. It's so you can have waves in your hair, but I'm not going to be using this today. I'm waiting on my ceramic iron, which has like bristles on the side, and it's supposed to leave uh, help your hair get the iron faster. So I will be opening this and doing my hair and giving you a review about what I think. Um, Before I start this video, I just want to say I'm not good at doing my hair. I'm not good at parting my hair. So if I do it the wrong way, forgive me. I'll be trying to follow a YouTube video on someone who bought this and to try to do it like they did. First of all, it's huge. Um, it has off, cool, low, and high. I've been waiting on this for like the longest. I just cannot wait. So I'm gonna turn this off and connect it. And then, okay. Oh. It says test or reset. I do not know. I press test. Does this have batteries? You press the red button, not test or reset. So my hair, it is kind of wet. I already tried to dry it out, but I mean, it's supposed to dry your hair, right? It's not that that wet. Okay. I'm gonna see this YouTube video before I start. So I'm not gonna do so much parting in my hair because first of all, I only have one clip. Second of all, I'm not good at parting, but I'm gonna do like half of my hair one side. So this side first, and then I'm gonna just put like a ponytail here. So you know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna use it on the cool. Is it? See, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna use it on low. And what I'm gonna do is hold on. This girl put like 5 products in her hair. I feel it, it's far away from me and it's hot. So what she did first is that she put her hair in half. But she has so many small sections. Like her hair is drier than mine, way drier. Like her hair is technically like dry. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first part like she's doing it. I'm gonna put my hair in half. I'm gonna use this clip and I need a bigger clip, and then I'm gonna bring my hair. I'm gonna take off my earrings because they're in the way. Okay. I think she's using it. I'm gonna use it on low. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna comb my hair first. I'm gonna use high because my hair is super wet. So I'm gonna doing it right. Okay, the curve. It's getting drier. Okay. And I'm gonna use the cool side. Okay, so this is dry. Oh, my back hurts. It took like about 5 minutes. Um, uh, mm, I'll say it's okay. Um, yeah, because I want that blow dry type of hair. You know what I mean? Like, And I don't know. I will have to complete my hair to see if it gives me that blue type of dry hair. Like, I forgot what's it called. But not like my normal hair. Like, I don't want to see my normal hair. Like, I want that nice, puffy type of hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my, oh yeah, I wish I would have dried my hair more. Because it takes about a minute. You're like, so yeah, not so wet. I mean, I don't think it's that wet, but you want to kind of dry. I mean, I wouldn't see the point. It's called it's supposed to dry your hair. You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I'll probably use this if it doesn't come out as how I want it. To be honest, I hope it does, cause this cost me a pretty penny. Um, I will continue the rest of my hair, but I will pause it. I don't want to take your time, and I cannot edit this video. Um, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do this side of my hair, of my head, and then we'll see the results. I think I will do at least this side of my hair with y'all. Okay. I haven't even parted it. I need my mirror. My mirror. Alrighty. Okay. This is most of my hair on this side. So like with 2 blows, okay, I have all of it. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Smaller and gold. It's pretty lightweight, so that's good. Now, I don't know by the end if it's still going to feel lightweight. I think I'm going to just start with this much and need to move it to the half inch.
So I'll be also doing it like that, like going up, because it gives it like some type of form. Your hair does not get stuck. My hair just feels fluffier. I have bangs right here, so I want to do it. I do feel like it helps to do like do it out and then do it in. Um, so far, it looks pretty straight, to be honest. I mean, my back is hurting. I need to continue to see really how it will go. So, my hair looks puffy. Um, it did get it more, it is soft. It did get it more, thinner, like flattened. So if you want to flat iron your hair afterwards, this would help. Yeah, I will continue. Try to do the rest. Finish the rest. Because I'm not done still. Okay. Um, so this is this side. It's super soft. It looks, okay. But to be honest, okay, this side took me 23 minutes. I will have to do this side to see if I really like it. I think it's called blowout dry type of, hair. Like, I think it's okay. I don't know, y'all could see the results. Maybe, I think I could wear this in public because even though it's like puffy, it's not like a bad type of puffy. Oh, and I did burn myself. It does get pretty hot after a while, especially how do you call that? Once your hair starts getting drier. So I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna do the rest of my hair to see the final look. Another method that I'm doing is like combing my hair, and I find it easier like if I'm burning my scalp or anything, because once I got some hair it gets too hot and you can burn yourself. Alright, see, this is the final look. Um, I mean, it's really good for your bangs. Um, um, you make the last judgment. I mean, I liked it. I liked it. You really have to know how to work a, really had to get to know the product. Oh, I didn't do on top, hold up. Okay, so I did a little bit on top. You can see that it's like, how you call it, a bit puffier. So yeah, like I was saying, it's not easy to use this. Like, I mean, for me, because like I had to learn how to really like do it, what motions to do, and then I saw that you can like twist it at the end so it could give you like some type of wave or something. Overall, I dig it. I dig it because like it makes my hair feel flowy, and it's the look that I was really going for, you know. So if you like your hair like this, like flowy, and it is somewhat puffy, but that's the point of the blowout. It took me a good minute, at least an hour, to do my hair. On this side, I did it like the fastest way I could. Like I did my whole hair together, like, and cause you might not have time in the morning. You go to work, and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta get all my hair done. So yes, like, oh, um, I don't know. Depends on y'all. I think it was a good product. It heated up. It heats up really hot. It does its job, and it gave me that blowout. You see my hair, it's on front. That puffiness, that blowout, that type of thing. I will most definitely be using it for my go-to, you know, because all you have to do is just use this item. So I totally recommend it. Like, it leaves your hair so puffy, like, and soft and silky. I just, can't stop touching my hair. But yeah, I hope y'all like this review. I did my best. Um, is the Revlon 2-in-1 step hair dryer and volumizer. And definitely give me volume and it dry my hair. So thank you so much. Ciao.